Hi friends, welcome back to the Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me, I'm Trishy, and this channel is called the Kids Zone. Welcome back. Can you guess what we're going to be doing today? Can you guess? Look at that. Try to guess. Yes, you're right, my friends. We're going to be learning about clocks. Clocks. And what do clocks do? That's right, they help us with time. They help us tell time. So let's open up our cute little package with the little paper clocks in them so we can learn about clocks. Look at all these little clocks I have. I'll give everyone one clock. Here's your clock. Do you have your clock now? Okay, I'm gonna get my clock. So see this little clock? These little things that go around that are black? Do you know what they're called on the clock? Yes, some of you know. They're called hands, just like our hands, but they're hands of a clock. That's what they are. So they're called hands of a clock. And they go around and around. Do any of you have clocks like this that have all the numbers going around with the hands? You do, yeah. All right, let's learn about them, right? Let's see if you know the time. And why do we need to know time? So we know when it's time to go to sleep and when it's time to eat and when it's time to play. All right, we're gonna learn about time. So here is our clock, my friends. Now let's move the hands. Let's move the hands. Okay, we're gonna there's a big hand and a small hand, a shorter one and a longer hand. So we're going to do, let's see, we're gonna put this, if we put the small hand on a number, it tells you what time it is. And if we put the longer hand on the same number, it still tells you what time it is. Now, if we put them on this number, what number is that? That's right, that's number 12. Let's put it there. Right now, can you guess what time it is? That's right, it's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. And you know what else we need to learn? You know what else? 12 o'clock a.m. means in the morning. 12 o'clock a.m. is in the morning. And 12 o'clock p.m. with a P is afternoon. So if it's 12 o'clock p.m., that means it's lunchtime. Yay! Now let's move the big long handle. So if we put the big long handle down here on the number 6, it is 12:30. It's a little confusing at first. 12:30. Let's put it all together at this number. What number is that? Yes, that's number 1. Good job, my friends. What time is it now? It's 1. We're going to do p.m. for afternoon, for the daytime. p.m. So 1 p.m. is still light time out. The sun is still out. Then what number is this? 2. Very good. 2 o'clock p.m. Well, you know what? Now what number is this? 2. So now we're going to do 2 o'clock p.m. And then this number right here is 3 with a big long handle at the 12. What time is it now? Yes, 3 o'clock p.m. And 3 o'clock p.m. is usually when you wake up from your nap. And then you have a snack. And then we go 4. Good job. What about this one? 5? What number is this? 6. 6 o'clock p.m. Now it's 6 o'clock p.m. Sometimes we have dinner. That's when we eat our dinner. Now if we go probably here at 8 o'clock, or maybe on this one, number 9, 9 o'clock p.m., it's bedtime. It's time to go to sleep because it's p.m. and then it gets to nighttime. And then it goes around and around during the nighttime when you're sleeping. Then you wake up. The sun starts coming up at 5 o'clock a.m. And then it's morning time. And sometimes we wake up at 7 a.m. That's morning. Or 8 o'clock a.m. And what do we have in the morning to eat? That's right, we have breakfast. So we have breakfast. And sometimes we get ready for school. And then the clock just goes all the way around. Let's do it all the way around, all day long, till we go home again and have dinner with our family again. Let's see if you remember now. What time is it there? Very good. It's 3 o'clock. That's good. Very good, my friends. What about this one? What time is it now? Yes, it's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Very good. So do you remember what these are called? Do you remember what these are called? These little arrows that go around the clock? Yes, you guys are so smart. They're called hands. Hands, not like these hands. They're different hands. They're called hands. There's a short hand and the long hand. The short hand tells you the hour of the clock time. The long hand tells you the minutes. Thanks for joining me. Thanks so much for joining me, my friends, for learning about the time today. I hope you liked it. We'll do another lesson another day about the time. Thanks so much for spending some time with me. I really like it. Don't forget to give me some thumbs up. That means press that button on the bottom that says like with a thumbs up, so I know that you like my video, and then subscribe. I know you want to watch more of my videos. Thank you so much. Mwah. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.